Let's learn about the letters S and T today.
How?
Shall we try writing the letter S with a crayon along the dotted line?
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for boat, sailing on the sea. C is for cat,
Uppercase
quick and
S.
neat. D is for dog, jumping on its feet. Alphabet, alphabet, sing with me. Learning is fun, come and see.
Lowercase
Alphabet,
s.
let's all play.
Good
Learn
job.
the alphabet
This time,
today.
let's learn how to write the letter
E
T.
is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat with horns so neat. H is for hat, worn on your head. Alphabet, alphabet, sing with me.
Uppercase
Learning
T.
is fun, come and see. Alphabet, alphabet, let's all play. Sing and learn the alphabet
Lowercase t.
today.
Good job!
I
Tiger and Turtle decided to have a race to see who could slide down the slide faster. Tiger. T is for tiger. Turtle walks slowly, so I think he might be a little worried. Turtle. T is for turtle. Start! Who do you think will win, tiger or turtle? Turtle slid down a little faster than tiger. Slide! S is for slide. Turtle is so happy. He's smiling. Smile. S is for smile. Let's draw the letter S following the gray lines. Good job! Let's color the letter with yellow and light green crayons.
M is for mountain, tall and wide. N is for night with stars as guide. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for pirate, ready to go. We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride.
Very good! Shall we cut out the shape of the letter S with scissors?
It never ends. R is for rainbow, bending in bends. S is for starship to outer space. T is for telescope, let's find a place. We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride. U is for UFO, beaming light. V is for volcano, glowing bright. W is wind, pushing by fast. X marks the spot, we're here at last. We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure.
S.
Hunting
Good job! Let's build the shape of the letter T with blocks. Think about what the letter T looks like as you build. Uppercase T.
So much fun. Let's sing together, everyone. The alphabet is so much fun. Sing along
Lowercase
and
t.
learn each one.
Let's trace the letter T along the dotted lines.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Uppercase
O, P,
T.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Lowercase t.
X, Y, Z.
Good job!